Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and today we're gonna see a really new cool tool to find jobs. Yeah, to find jobs or for like any kind of jobs that can be like freelances or maybe it full time, part time, and many other type of jobs and for many other criterias. Now those jobs are posted on Twitter. So you will say like how can it be possible, like the jobs that are posted on Twitter, how can we get the reach of that? Like there's a humongous amount of Twitter, and whoever follows the genre, only he or she will get it. But here's a app, or yeah, no, it's not an app actually, it's a basic website or a web app that actually collects all of the job posts in Twitter and categorize them into job categories, like proper job categories. So let's see the interface of the like app, and let's have a walkthrough of the app. Okay, here is our to this site, that is Feedir, and here you can see find your next job using Twitter. And the interface is really simple. From here you can from the job done you can choose which job you're applying for, like Android, like for in the developer category there's Android, iOS, JavaScript, blah blah blah. And in the HR category they have a lots of things. They have the UI UX category also. I don't know why it is not visible right now here. Let's just say we will click on HR. Okay, and here are the jobs that is available right now in the HR section. And if you click on those, it will like wait, yeah, it will directly take you to the tweet of the job. Okay, and sometimes it can directly take you, yeah, here are all of the jobs. Okay, and sometimes it can directly take you to the job application forum as well. So let's search some React jobs as well, React developer jobs. Here are some, see, so great things, right? A really new great way to search about jobs. So that's basically it about this whole website. Nothing much actually, because this website is really simple, and it obviously solves a sole purpose, that is finding job. That's it. That's it about this video. That's it about this whole site. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know some of the great apps, website, tools like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.